Hello guys! Third day of being vegan. Wow. Still surviving. I actually like it. Let's see what they have for lunch for us. Hello! Is it ready? So this is what we're having. Garlic curry, Cancun, and mushroom tempered. Got the carrot curry, long beans tempered, rice, and polos curry. Ooh. Red rice. And last but not the least, broccoli soup. Thank you. I've always wanted to try to be a vegan or a pescatarian, and I think now is the best time to do it, especially during quarantine. What I love about this hotel is that there are a lot of activities that you can do while in quarantine, so it doesn't make you feel like you're not doing anything. So this is nice. I think 7 days would be enough to try it out and see how I feel about it, my body reacts to it, and the food that they prepare here is very good too. The only thing with Sri Lankan food is that most of their dishes has spices, but somehow, even if it's spicy, I still like it. And for dessert, I got avocado mousse.
Looks like baby food, babe.
Like Gerber. Baby food. Hello, we are back in our room and they cleaned our room for us. And so for now, I'm just gonna catch up on some editing because I haven't uploaded a vlog in like 4 days, and to me it's a long time already. I'm not sure if I should say this in the vlog, but I kind of want to. Lately, I've been having stomach problems. I think it's because of the food that I've been eating or the spices. I'm not so sure about that, but I'm just too gassy lately. Hello guys. I'm home. Oh my mess. One of my big Aww.
Somebody has to do it.
So Martin wants me to just focus on editing, get a vlog done.
Get it.
And he said that he'll be the one who'll sort out the laundry bag. Alright, change into our robes because we are going for our first treatment. Let's go! Iniwan na ako ng kasama ko. Now we're at the doctor's clinic. Hello!
So right now we're figuring out Ave's bioenergy levels. Based on what the doctor figures out today, Ave's going to be given a meal plan and a treatment plan accordingly.
Okay, now it's Martin's turn.
Here you can see there's some juice coming out.
Smells good. Feel so relaxed. I didn't know that you can use rice as a scrub.
No.
Rice is life. That's why I love rice. Salt Bay.
But it doesn't seem to be coming out.
Yeah.
Never. So this is my first time. So it's very nice. Okay, we have had dinner today, and the hotel has made a special request for us. We got fish. So pescatarians, which I think is something that I would have no problem doing at all. It's nice today because it's clear sky, stars are out, so everybody in the hotel is eating out on the pool deck. It's kind of romantic, don't you think?
Yes.
Can't see you. Whoa.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Hello guys, good morning. Fourth day.
Fourth day.
Wow,
Getting
fourth
along.
day of being a vegan. Wow.
Wow.
We've been served with papaya and mangoes. So fresh. That's one thing that I love eating in Sri Lanka. Papayas. Martin decided to do a social media detox.
I need it so bad.
Yeah, I also need it, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it now because I have so much work.
Yeah.
But maybe I should.
The reason for why I wanted to do social media detox is just that I want to regain some strength and energy and positive vibes. I will probably still be vlogging a little bit, but I just need to regain some energy here in myself because there's been so much work lately. You know, today I'm not gonna touch social media at all. There will be 24 hours without Martin on social media, and that's fine. That's okay. So if you're finding yourself in that same energy level, state of mind where you're just like overworked, just stop. You know, it's okay. Sometimes you need to take one step back to get 3 steps ahead. That's actually my thinking here. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. Back to Avelovinit.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So we don't normally eat breakfast, but having fruits in the morning is also good. Okay, you guys, we are heading down. I don't think I've shown you guys yet that part of this hotel. Oh, the pool looks so inviting. Such a beautiful day today. Yesterday it has been raining, which is also nice. This is what the whole hotel looks like. going down. This also leads to the beach.
This is the house hit by the tsunami. There was a tsunami in Sri Lanka in 2004. And this is the remains of it. And today they kind of use it as a gate for the beach. This is our Dr. Izuro.
So, Iboan, my name is Dr. Isuru, Ayurvedic doctor in Ayurvie Weligama. So today I'm going to
Guys, it's our first time to go at the beach here. Luckily, they have an access to the beach. Look how beautiful it is.
Wow.
Did you know that Sri Lanka is actually in one of the top 10 best islands in the world? Yes. I think it's 6 or 7 according to Condé Nast Traveler. Oh wow. Okay, we are done. And now we're back at the restaurant having some lunch. I mean, here's what we're having. Pumpkin soup first as a starter. Look how colorful our table is. A lot of curries. Too. Of course, red rice. Alright, let's go. First day being a vegan.
What's this?
Yeah, not spicy. Let's try the mango.
Yes.
The curry is not spicy. For today's dessert, we're having buffalo milk and honey.
Wow. Whoa. Sweet.
I haven't had this. It
I've
looks
never
like ice
tried buffalo milk either. Let me know what you think about that. What?
cream. It's good eh?
Really? Yeah.
I haven't had this.
Actually, that's very interesting. Consistent.
Thank you. Okay, so now we're going to learn more about how they prepare the food here. No, it's give it to me. So now chef is going to teach me how to cook curry, right? Vegetable curry.
Hatmalu.
Huh?
Hatmalu.
Hatmalua.
Yeah.
Hatmalua.
Mustard seed.
Onion.
Onion. And peanut.
So the hard ones first. The hard vegetables first. And these are all of the vegetables that we will be using for this curry.
This carrot.
Carrot. Okay. Coconut milk. Now we're just gonna let this sit for how many minutes, chef?
5-6 minutes.
5-6 minutes and then it's done.
Release this one. Not long time ago, 2 years. 3 years ago. Today, 6 months, sometimes I'm not writing.
Exactly. Wow. What a
Yes.
It's time to taste it.
Where's the naan bread?
Yeah. But it was really good.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Martin went for round 2.
It was so good.
Is it because of my cooking, you think also?
Good combo. Okay guys, so the midday between all the dinners and lunch or the spa treatments, everybody seems to just be relaxing at either out their balconies or here by the pool deck. So they will give you shade if you need it. There are different type of beds and you can pretty much tell them anything. And and they will accommodate you very, very nicely. Thank you, sir. What's your name?
Visita.
Visita?
Yes.
Okay. It's my waiter, Visita. He's been a very good waiter throughout my entire stay. Thank you very much.
They just served us king coconut elephant. Straight from the tree. We actually saw some people climbing up the tree. If you go to Sri Lanka, having a king coconut is a must. So we've been swimming, just relaxing, not really doing that much stuff. Having a great time, my love. You look so relaxed now.
Get my tan on.
Honestly, I don't miss eating meat. What about you?
Sorry, I thought it was chicken. I'm joking. I think I'm okay. I could be a pescatarian, I think.
Yeah. And what's nice is that they prepare the food here really good.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, I'm here inside the spa again, and they always give us a disposable underwear because it can get really oily or muddy, depends on what kind of treatment you're getting. Look who it is. How are you feeling?
Hi guys, I'm doing a 15-minute steam treatment.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Yeah, really interesting. It's really warm inside.
Mm-hmm. It's like a sauna.
Yeah, but at the same time your head is kept cool.
Mm,
So it's
that's
very
nice. Hi guys, my therapy session is done. The doctor helped me with my ear problems because lately I've been having, I don't know, ear pressure. So the garlic also has the oil which he heated before he put it inside my ears. Oh, okay. I hope that did something. But now my ears are quite oily. Hello guys, good morning. Today is our 7th day here and we are leaving. What's nice about being in this hotel is that someone who knows vegan meals cooks for you. And I know that everything that I eat is good for my body. The only thing is that I think my body was shocked with the sudden change of my eating habits. I was pretty gassy being a vegan, or I just ate a lot of beans. Maybe I just ate a lot of beans because I keep on, you know, farting. So sad to leave. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for pampering us.
Yes. This guy is the best manager you'll ever find.
Yes.
Okay, we'll take a photo.